Welcome education customers to a quick video series on Azure. My name is Manuel Griga. I'm an Azure TSP for US Education, and I'd like to cover some improvements for hybrid use benefit in Azure. This is where customers can bring their software assurance covered Windows Server licenses into Azure and allow them to pay the base compute rate for Windows VMs and not have to cover the licensing as part of that charge rate. And so one of the improvements that have occurred is the fact that hybrid use benefit can now be exercised from the images that we provide in the gallery. And so it used to be that you had to upload your own image, and that could be time consuming. And we now have had that in the gallery. So just click new. In this case, I'm just clicking new to add a new virtual machine to a resource group. In the gallery, I've filtered for hub, hybrid use benefit. You'll notice here I have several different hybrid use benefit images. In this case, I'm just going to deploy a Windows Server 2008 R2 VM. And you'll see here as we step through the wizard here, typical questions being asked of a virtual machine creation. And if we look at the stepping through, I've filled out all the information here. We'll go to the summary. We'll find that we already have in the JSON template one of the parameters that used to have to be set manually by the customer. So let's come through here and look at the parameters around the virtual machine. And if we scroll down here, we'll find that we have operating system license type. Let's see, where's my license type? About halfway up. Here, license type is set to Windows Server. This is the key that tells the Azure Fabric not to charge the Windows Server VM compute rate and instead charge the base compute rate for the VM. And so now that we've established that that's in the template, let's go ahead and create the virtual machine, and then we'll come back and take a look what the attributes are once that's been created. So, now that the deployment is underway, we can go ahead and step over here to PowerShell and validate that we actually have the attribute set that we expect to see. So we can go and switch back over here to PowerShell. We'll run our get Azure RM VM with our resource group and our virtual machine name. And when we pull back to properties, we'll see what we're looking for here, which is license type is Windows Server. So this is a hybrid use benefit eligible virtual machine. It'll be charged at the base compute rate for a standard DS2 V2 VM, and that'll be a significant savings, over $100 a month for this customer, and definitely something that education customers are going to want to take advantage of for their license portability rights with Windows servers in Azure. Thank you for your time.